So this is a V6 engine ES9J4S. That's the engine model. Of course, you can see it's a V6 and it's on Peugeot 607. So this is a Z8 phase 1. I was asked to come and diagnose this car for weeks, days, or whatever it has been. It was having severe misfire issue. They did everything. In fact, since Monday, I think it was on Monday. This after about since Monday, yes. I was called and asked to come and diagnose the car. So of course, I didn't have chance until now. So I'm here. I've already diagnosed the vehicle, seen the issues, and it's sorted out. The issue is I don't know whoever that did this nonsense. They interchange, because these are the ignition coils. They interchanged them and connected them wrongly. I think this one was connected to this, while this was connected to this, and it messed up the engine ECU. And also one of the injectors stopped responding. So we fixed it. I did diagnose. Of course, the system immediately showed something was wrong with these 3 cylinders. So I first sorted these 2 out. I came with my Peugeot 406 V6. So of course they have the similar connections. So from there I could trace and reconnected these 2 well. Then of course this one kept showing faulty as well. So check the spark plug, was still okay. Fine, it was even brand new. Check the coil. The sense current, I could see that current was coming through here and the coil was okay. So I knew the next place to check was the injector. Remove the injector, connected, removed it, tried to flush it. In fact, nothing, it was just small amount of oil that was coming out. So I eventually had to put another one. And the fact went away. So now, once you start the car, let's find that. Let's start the engine. Because it still has some other faults, but I'm not here for them. I'm only here to sort out the engine issue. You can see a lot of steering, what's it called? The suspension issues, and I think when I was coming, I actually noticed some automatic gearbox issue, but like I said, that's not what I came for. So it has automatic gearbox, that's ZF 4HP20. So as you can see, the RPM is now very stable. You know, the oil temperature is still low, so I don't want to rev the engine that high. So you can see, and yeah. Even though they still need to clean the rest of the injector, because I already dealt with one. This was actually, it's not even the owner that gave me this work to do. It was actually one of the mechanics I know. So I think they tried their best for about 2 weeks on this car and the issue couldn't resolve. So they called and begged I should come and help them out. So that is sorted out, and we just want to let you guys know. Okay, I've actually noticed the upstream oxygen sensor at the rear bank is also faulty. So I've advised them they need to tell the owner they have to change that sensor, otherwise the fuel consumption will be very high. You know, so. Something else is also, I can hear, I think it's it's not the water pump, the power steering. Yeah, the power steering is noisy. The power steering pump is noisy, so then they have to sort that one out before it fails completely. Other than that, you know. Alright, so that's all for this video.